Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve miscellaneous exercise of class 11 complex numbers. So let's proceed further. Question number 1. Evaluate the expression I to the power 18 plus 1 by I whole power 25 whole power 3. So we can write it as I square whole power 9, it will give I to the power 18 plus 1 by I square whole power 12 into I, it will give I to the power 24 into I. So I to the power 25 whole power 3. So we know that I square equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 9 plus 1 by minus 1 whole power 12 into I whole power 3. So it will give minus 1 whole power 9. It will give minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 whole power 12 will become plus 1 into I. So it will become 1 by I. So minus 1. Now if we multiply I in denominator and numerator of 1 by I, it will give I by I square. I square will become minus 1. So it will become minus I whole power 3. So now we are taking common minus. So it will become 1 plus I whole power 3. Now we will use the formula a plus b whole cube. So it will become 1 cube plus I cube plus 3 into 1 into I into whole 1 plus I. So it will become 1 I cube will be I square into I square will become minus 1 into I, it will become minus I plus 3 I minus 3. 3 I into I will become 3 I square and I square equal to minus 1, so minus 3. So it will become 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 plus 3I minus I equal to 2I. Now minus plus 2 minus 2I. So the answer will be 2 minus 2I. Next question, question number 2. For any two complex numbers z1 and z2, prove that real part of z1 into z2 equal to real part of z1 into real part of z2 minus imaginary part of z1 into imaginary part of z2. So let's proceed. This is the proof. Let z1 equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 equals to x2 plus iy2 are two complex numbers. Now z1 into z2 equal to x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. So it will become x1 into x2 plus I x1 into y2 plus I y1 into x2 plus iy1 into iy2. It will become I square. So minus y1 into y2. Now x1 into x2 minus y1 into y2 plus I x2 y1 plus x1 y2. So the real part of z1 into z2 equal to x1 into x2 minus y1 into y2 equal to, we can write it as real part of z1 and x2 is the real part of z2 minus y1 is the imaginary part of z1 and y2 is the imaginary part of z2. So this is the proof. Now next question, question number 3. Reduce 1 by 1 minus 4i minus 2 by 1 plus I into 3 minus 4i by 5 plus I to standard form. So this is the solution. First of all, we have to take the LCM. 1 minus 4i into 1 plus I. So it will become 1 plus I minus 2 into 1 minus 4i into 3 minus 4i by 5 plus I. Now 1 plus I minus 2 minus plus 2 into 4 8i by 1 plus I minus 4i plus 4 minus 4i square. So I square equal to minus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1, it will become plus 4 into 3 minus 4i by 5 plus I. So equal to 8i plus I equal to 9i. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 equal to 5 minus 3i into 3 minus 4i by 5 plus I. So now 5 minus 3i into 5 plus I denominator, and in the numerator it will become 9i minus 1 into 3 minus 4i. So after multiplication, 3 into 9 27i minus 4 9 36 I square will be minus 1. So plus 36 minus 3 plus 4i divided by 5 5 so 25 plus 5i minus 15i plus 3. So after calculation it will become 33 plus 31i divided by 28 minus 10i. Now we will multiply the denominator with its conjugate. So it will become 28 minus 10i into 28 plus 10i, and in the numerator it will become 33 plus 31i into 28 plus 10i. So after calculation we will get like this: 924 plus 330i plus 868i minus 310 divided by 28 square minus 10i whole square. So it will become like this, and after calculation it will become 307 by 442 plus I into 599 by 442. Now question number 4. If x minus iy equal to root over a minus ib by c minus id, prove that x square plus y square whole square equals to a square plus b square by c square plus d square. Here is the solution: x minus iy equal to root over a minus ib by c minus id. Therefore x plus iy will be a plus ib divided by c plus id. Now x minus iy into x plus iy will become root over a minus ib into a plus ib divided by c minus id into c plus id. So after calculation it will become root over a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. Now therefore x square plus y square equal to root over a square plus b square by c square plus d square. This is the proof. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.